Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown.
If you're new here, subscribe! Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Nkirate, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for being here. So, I have a new TV stand. Ooh, I'm so excited. It got here yesterday, but Weru brought it at night, so I wasn't able to show you guys. And then today, nikaamka tu nikaenda Pandamat, which is very underwhelming by the way. Nimeenda huko, nimetoka na vitu tatu. 3 things. Fish tank, dustbin, na spray paint. Anyway, yeah, I went to show you the TV stand in a bit and then we organize it. This is the TV stand. It's a 7-foot TV stand. Before I had a 6-foot. Sijui kiasi gani nilisema nitengenezea 7 feet, knowing well my TV is 50 inch. So it appears small, but I still like it. Mungu tu atanijalia ninunue screen kubwa. Anyway, yeah, this is the TV stand, standard 7 feet. Yeah, is there anything else to say about it? As you can see, the doors are fluted. I really wanted that design. And inside, I asked Weru to make partitions like so. Oops. My lighting is shitty. So that's how it looks like. I love everything about this TV stand. The details, the finishing, the color, everything about it. I wanted just four drawers. Amando's nitwaji. Like nilikuwa nataka milango 4, but hainge make sense. So I just told him to weka 5. Trey is inspecting. Are you done inspecting? Yeah, anyway guys, let me organize it. Just want to arrange things here nicely.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say that bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up.
I had all this inside my TV stand. Inside a 6-foot TV stand, I had all this. Am I decluttering anything? Kasha? Say it.
Yes.
Jen?
No.
I'm not decluttering anything. Let me arrange it now. Hi.
Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really want to know you all. I really want to show you off.
Hey guys, so I have finished sorting out the items. These are wax warmers, linen sprays, and wax melts. These are supposed to be candle holders. Zingine ziko hapo chini. These are candles, unscented candles. This one is scented though. These are bunny candles, the ones that I got recently. These are just cute decor items. These are candles that I've finished burning, but I don't feel like letting go. This side, books. Wow, I have a lot of books. And then down here we have coasters, more decor items, candles. Each TV stand imejaa 2 candles, candle warmers, candle holders. Yeah. So now let me arrange them inside the TV stand.
Show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach your whip that a turret. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation, rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
Hey guys, I needed new curtains for my living room and I reached out to Sage Curtains on Instagram. They came for a site visit a few days ago, like 3 days ago, took measurements, and then I settled on a black fabric which they stitched and delivered in a few days. And this is them installing. I liked the black fabric so much and the stitching done on the shears. It gave it such a classy feel. So I'm having my cables managed and Melvin from House of Royalty is coming. So I have an issue. I have a system inside this TV stand, but whenever I play music, it has a really bad vibration that I don't like. So I want to remove it from here and fix it somewhere behind the mirror where you can't see it and it's not enclosed, so music just plays normally. So he'll come, extend the cables that connect to the TV, extend them so that zifike uko nyuma ya kioo. Yeah. Will it make sense? Yeah, it will make sense because first of all, this extension has to be hid. This cable also. This one is the one that lights behind my TV. So I need to know how. I think it are extended. Yeah, ingie kwa hii trunking iende hadi kwa extension. Extension itaenda ndani ya TV stand. So yeah, that's what's going on today. Melvin from House of Royalty will be here in no time. And then at the same time, I'm also doing improvement on this side. I want to have fluted wallpaper there on this first piece, like from where the switch is to somewhere, I don't know where. I think to the end of this frame. Nachikatuka kitu kadogo. I'll know. But I'm having fluted panel wallpaper installed. Yeah, black and grey. I hope my house won't be dark because currently I just feel like the more I keep changing stuff, the darker it gets, and I am someone who thrives in like a bright environment. And then please ignore my messy house. I have cats. My coffee table will be here this week. This coffee table was a gift from a client. She's not using it. The idea that she had aliachana nayo, so she gifted it to me when we finished the project. Imevunjika somewhere hapa, but I'm not going to use it as a coffee table. I'll find a way of using it. Weru is currently making my coffee table. Melvin has just stepped out and this is the progress so far. Easy packers in a fight. What's up, guys? Anyway, yeah, this is the progress so far. He's already removed the system from in here. Ndele pale nyuma itakuwa hapo permanently. I'll find something to place on it though, like something to place as the base though, and then make a system. Alafu, he's already extended this auxiliary cables. Yeah, and done trunking on this wall. So now what's left is to extend this. He needs to extend this, and then we've added another extension there because my system plug is short. And then what else? Yeah, he's going to get the plug for this extension. Yeah, that's the progress so far. I am cut sitting Oreo. Wanapigana tu hapa na Bluey. Yeah.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. By the way,
Hey guys, so I'm changing my living room light, the main light. The wall light will remain as is. I'm just changing this one, and then I'll also change the kitchen light. What else am I changing? Oh, I'm also changing this socket. Like I'll change iki to black ones. Na pia hizi za hapa chini. Heater na sockets. Yeah, I'm changing this as well. What is it, Oreo? Why you mad? Why you mad? What? Miss your mommy? Yep. Alan from Tungsten Electricals is here to change them. Here. I think I'll take this one to my bathroom. Inakwanga so bright. I'd use it in the bathroom. Yeah.
just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hey guys, so it's finally the end of an era. I'm changing this beautiful wall art done by Atkalo Kenya. I've had this for about a year now, but it's finally time I let go. I love them. That's why I won't be selling them. They'll be going home. Yeah, so Atkalo Kenya are on the way to deliver the ones that will replace this. I just ordered 3, but different pictures, but they're still 3 frames. And also I printed photos of my cats. Probably on that wall, I don't know, or I replace this photo here. I take this one to the bedroom, then I put my cats here. I don't know.
Plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist night. It's like 6. Told her hit his phone, meet her in the whip, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow. Say meet him at the stove. I'm like cool, let him run his move. Do what he gon' do, cause this.
Nakakapaka kalipotea wewe Zulu. Sina kama monkey. Oh, hiyo ni bluey. Oh. Wow.
Put them in a pot, let it cook like stew. I grab my Glock, if it do a lot, but it's this you like no, we at the top. Yeah, we lost a lot, but that's just how it go. But check the scope, if y'all lose one more, that's 6 to 24. Let me focus, can't be zoning out. He pulling up now, he double pop. He ain't getting out, he in that push stop. That new Porsche is built like a horse, colors like a fork. He got a ring, I guess he ain't divorced. Wife probably a whore, now she woke up, she strutting her stuff. This bitch thick as fuck, got in the truck, kissed him on his lip. He cupping up, but now I sneak up, crouching like a tiger, like Snoop off the wire, the block on fire. So I take a cost, mess with Michael Mike, I'm on his ass, he finna be mad, he gon' beat her ass, but this what happened. I got to the door, I thought I was capping, I was slacking, cause that go to up, yelling now was cracking. I'm like what? I'm like nigga who? I was born to shoot, I got aim, I'm like Johnny Day, when it comes to change, so I ride, hit one in his arm, hit one in his thigh, this no lie, bitches do or die, you got some nerve. Your shit on the curb, boy, we put in work from 64 and from 65th, we not from 63rd. Bitch, we not from 63rd. Gang, put in.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain.
Nope. Ebweka penye hiyo ni pin iko. Pandisha hadi hapo kwa hiyo pin. Juu na chini. Yeah, I think wanaweza kaa hapo. Unaona hiyo spacing yenye umeweka ikuwe very minimal. Nitakushow nikirudi niko break.
Who brought you still linger in your mind? Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better, life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better, life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt. Cash and minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours, but you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby.
Hey guys, so this is how we currently look like. My shears were cleaned yesterday, that's why I put them back up. And this is the stitching I was telling you guys about. I love this stitching done on these shears. It makes it look pretty much classy. My curtain rods have started rusting because I spray painted them last year. So I just need to figure out, should I return them back to the initial color, which was silver, or I just spray paint them again? I don't know. But guys, this is how we currently look like. Not coffee table still, but I'll be having a coffee table tomorrow. But you'll see it in another vlog. I'll do now the living room reveal where I style the couch, I get a coffee table, and we style the TV stand. But every other thing looks great. Really, really great. I was thinking of changing my couch, but it's nilijita mkutano. Me and my 3 personalities, we just decided now is not the time for a new couch. Yeah, there's my cats over there. This is how the TV wall looks like. I feel like this side has become so dark, but honestly, I like it. I like it. Once I organize the TV stand, it's going to look bomb.
Girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, cry that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn, baby.